Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to disable BattleEye Launcher and just fix all the issues and error codes associated with that. And let's get straight into the video. So in order to disable BattleEye Launcher, all you have to do is go over to Steam if you have GTA 5 installed through Steam. Look for GTA 5, right click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files, and then hit Browse. Now this is going to take you to the location of, wherever GTA 5 is installed. And from here, all you want to do is you want to look for GTA 5 underscore BE, and you want to go ahead and just delete that because that is what the BattleEye launcher is. You want to go over it. I'm just going to use a random file as an example. Just left click on it and then hit delete. And then once you do that, you can X out, and then you can go ahead and start up Rockstar Games Launcher, start up GTA. And if it does give you any type of error code, all you have to do is hit retry, and then it will automatically be fixed, and you are good to go. So that is how to disable BattleEye Launcher and how to fix the issue. And so yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.